Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card and memory card into your Wiko phone. As you can see right here, it's the new Boost Mobile. So you'll need to pull on this side right here. There's a little hole on the side. Just pull it off your back cover and then lift it up. There's clips all the way around, pretty much going. So just lift it off and it pops off. So your SD card is going to be on this side, the micro SD, and then SIM card on this side. It's pretty much showing which way it's supposed to be in. Like right here, there's a picture, and right here, picture of the SD card. So first, we'll install SIM card the way it's supposed to be. You just slide it in, and then your memory card goes to this side, like this. Boom, you slide it in, and then cover the back cover. And then if you want to remove it, same thing, just remove the back cover like you already did it before and just pull it out. Boom. And then boom. That's how easy to do it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and then thumbs up for likes.